Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile 757. Just giving you a mechanic tip. If you ever get in your vehicle and you're ready to go, you just got something to eat, got off work or whatever, and you hit the key and you hear this noise, that means you need to jump. Your battery is not strong enough. Not even if you got a new battery, you could have left something on. Nobody knows why, but that noise right there is saying, I need a new battery. There's not enough power to turn the starter. This is just a mechanic tip. If you hit that key and you hear a click or that noise, you need to get a jump and start looking at that battery. If the battery is not the issue, after you checked everything, you still got to get a jump and charge it. Check your alternator. Go to Advance or AutoZone free of charge. I'm here to help you guys the best I can, and I'm on your side. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a positive comment. Thank you.